both our organisations came from a very similar ethos. So we wanted to make that difference. We wanted to make things better, and we were exploring ways around, well, why are people with cerebral palsy so often forgotten? What could be done?
I remember being shocked when I heard that this was the only event of its type in the UK. It just amazes me, and until then, how were families getting their information? How were they finding out what was happening?
But that's the point, I think, that families feel so isolated.
Absolutely.
Because even though it's an incredibly common condition, you know, people are just left to get on with it. And so, you know, quite often, either people with CP say, well, I've never met anybody like me before, you know, and there is a whole room full of people coming together, sharing, you know, things that they suddenly realise, oh, I thought I was the only person in the world that had gone through that. And that's very moving. Actually, one of the reasons that we find working with Digby Brown so supportive and so rewarding is that, you know, we both have the same goals, which is to make the world a better place for people with cerebral palsy and their families, but we both have our strengths about how we do that, and we want to support each other's strengths and areas of expertise.
I noticed on the Cerebral Palsy Scotland website that everything they do, really the core of that is kindness and compassion. And I like to think that our clinical negligence team has that as one of its main values, is we have kindness and compassion. We are well aware of the trauma that many families will have been through to get to the point of picking up the phone and speaking to someone at Digby Brown. So we are experts in what we do, and we will guide you through the process.